Hey, it's Nathan King. Today I want to share 3 key updates that can make a huge difference in your home, whether you're thinking about selling soon or just want to maintain your property's value. These aren't huge remodels or expensive upgrades, but they are the kind of updates that buyers notice instantly and that help your home sell faster and for top dollar. Let's start with the first one, cleaning. I know it sounds basic, but even a little duh. But hear me out. Consistent, thorough cleaning is one of the most overlooked things that actually impacts how buyers perceive your home. Buyers notice the tiny details, dust in corners, cobwebs on the ceiling, fingerprints on the door frames, dirty windows, and musty smells. One thing I always pay attention to is the baseboards. I know it sounds small, but if the baseboards are clean, that tells me the whole house is cared for. So, what does this mean for you? Don't just wipe down the countertops and sweep the floors every now and then. Go a little deeper. Clean the tops of bookshelves, the windowsills, light fixtures, door frames, all the areas that tend to get overlooked. If you maintain a routine cleaning schedule or even hire a weekly cleaning service, 2 things happen. First, your home looks amazing for showings, and second, you start to notice little repairs and maintenance issues before they become bigger problems. Here's a little tip. Fresno gets really dusty in the summers, especially if you're near the outskirts of town. Keeping windows clean, vacuuming carpets, and wiping down surfaces regularly will make your home feel fresher and more cared for. And buyers notice that immediately. Second, deferred maintenance. This is a big one. And it's not just about installing a new furnace or AC. Buyers care about the condition and upkeep of your home. And nothing turns them away faster than systems or appliances that look neglected. In Fresno, our summers are long and hot, and that can be tough on AC units. If your air conditioner hasn't been serviced in a while, buyers will notice. Same goes for furnaces, water heaters, and even your roof. If it's old or damaged, it can be a huge red flag. The good news? You don't have to replace everything. Regular maintenance is really what matters. Servicing your AC yearly, cleaning out the gutters, checking for leaks, and keeping windows in good shape goes a long way. Buyers want to see a home that's been loved and maintained. It gives them confidence that they won't have surprise costs after moving in. Let me give you an example. I had a Fresno listing recently where the homeowner had kept up with every small repair. Their roof was only a few years old, the AC had been serviced, and the baseboards were immaculate. Even though the kitchen wasn't completely modern, buyers walked in and immediately felt that the house was move-in ready. The home sold in 1 week, above asking price. Why? Because buyers trust homes that are maintained, not just updated for show. Third, landscaping and curb appeal. This is where you can really make a first impression. Literally, before buyers walk in through the door, landscaping might even seem expensive, but even small updates can have a huge impact. Fresno buyers love yards that are inviting and well kept. A freshly mowed lawn, trimmed shrubs, colorful potted plants by the entry, or even just pressure washing your driveway can make your home feel well cared for. Here's the key. Buyers don't want a huge project when they move in. They're fine updating a kitchen or bathroom, but seeing a yard that needs major work can be a deal breaker. Small touches like adding a few drought-tolerant plants, mulching flower beds, or planting a tree or two make your home look vibrant and move-in ready. For the record, I hate mulch and prefer large river rocks instead. One more Fresno specific tip. Our summers are dry and irrigation systems can be a weak point. Make sure your sprinklers are working and the lawn is green. A healthy yard signals to buyers that the home has been well maintained inside and out. Also, make sure your sprinklers are not spraying on the house or fence line. Making proper adjustments to them are very important. So let's recap. Clean your home thoroughly and consistently, stay on top of maintenance and repairs, and make sure your yard looks inviting. These 3 things send a clear message to buyers. This is a home that has been loved and cared for, not just staged for a quick sale. If you do these things, your home will sell faster, likely for more money, and buyers will feel confident walking through your door. And trust me, it's much easier to sell when your home shows pride of ownership, not neglect. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more real estate advice here in Fresno. Comment below if you have any questions about getting your home ready to sell. I'm Nathan King, and I'm here to help you get the most out of your home.